Hello friends, I am Pradeep from Research. I'll be talking about our technical outlook on the market. The week started on a negative note as Nifty plunged 1.8% on Monday. After a flattish Tuesday, the benchmark resumed its southern journey on Wednesday to touch a low of 5328, which almost coincided with the trendline support emanating from adjoining 4786 and 5177, which are the bottoms made in May 2010 and February 2011 respectively, as shown in the weekly chart. We had mentioned about this support in our last week's report. As you can see on this weekly chart of Nifty, this trendline support which was emanating from adjoining 4786, which is this bottom, and 5177, which is this bottom. If we connect these two bottoms, then we get a trend line, and support of the same was coming around 5340. Last 2 days of the week saw a V-shaped recovery, with Nifty putting on 1.2% each on Thursday and Friday to finally settle at 5476, down a marginal 0.2% week on week. Now what is the outlook? Thanks to the smart recovery on last 2 trading sessions, the weekly candlestick of Nifty has formed a hammer pattern which suggests that bulls are strengthening. If you see, this is the weekly candle of Nifty which has formed a hammer like pattern which suggests that bulls are strengthening. However, we are yet to see a resumption of higher top higher bottom formation on daily chart, which is the prime requirement to turn the near term view decisively bullish. If you see here on the daily chart of Nifty, we are continuously seeing lower tops and lower bottoms being formed since 18th of April, and we are yet to see resumption of higher top higher bottom, which is the prime requirement to turn the view decisively bullish. The first requirement of higher top will get fulfilled if Nifty is able to cross 5518, the top made on last Friday, which will then have to be followed up by a higher bottom. What we are saying that if Nifty is able to cross this high, which is the high made on 28th May, that is 5518, then it will fulfill the first requirement of making a higher top. Then it will have to be followed up by a higher bottom. Beyond 5518, 5605, the 200-day exponential moving average, and the top made on 13th May will present the next resistance. Beyond 5518, one will have to see whether Nifty is able to cross this resistance, which is 200-day exponential moving average and the top made on 13th May, which is 5605. On the downside, 5400 is the immediate support, followed by important one at 5328. Now if we adjoin these two bottoms, then we get immediate support for Nifty around 5400, followed by an important one at 5328. With this we conclude the technical outlook. Thank you.